cross-legged on the hood of a Ford, filing down her nails with an emery board, talking to her friends about people they knew and all the things the young girls do. When she said, "You see that guy in the baseball cap? I'd like to spend some time with a boy like that." Betty said, "I've seen him in the hardware store. I think his name is Billy, but I'm not sure." They talked a little while, he passed by. She smiled at him, he just said hi. He was thinking to himself as he walked away, "Man, I'd like to find a girl like her someday." Young love, strong love, true love. It's a new love that's gonna make it through the hard times and walk off those lines. Yeah, these ties that bind young love. Well, she just couldn't stop herself from thinking about him. The store downtown, she saw him again. She had both hands full, he held open the door. He said, "My name is Billy, I've seen you before. Can I help you with these? Can I give you a ride? Can I take you out on Saturday night?" She didn't have to say what she was feeling inside. He could see the answer shining in her eyes. Young love, strong love, true love. It's a new love that's gonna make it through the hard times and walk off those lines. Yeah, these are ties that bind young love. Well, from that day on, you couldn't keep them apart. They were side by side and heart to heart. And Mama cried as Billy slipped her ring on her hand. When the baby was born, she was crying again. But he worked real hard and put some money down on a little old house at the edge of town. And that night as he held her, he couldn't believe that God had made a girl that he'd never leave. Young love, strong love, true love. It's a new love that's gonna make it through the hard times and walk off those lines. Yeah, those ties that bind young love. She was sitting cross-legged on the hood of a Ford, filing down her nails with an emery board,